What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Blow by Ed Sheeran, Chris Stapleton, and Bruno Mars. I hope you guys are having an awesome 4th of July weekend. I hope you're celebrating with your families and having a great time, and please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so I don't have to karate chop you in the neck. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this banger. Okay guys, so you got two options for your tuning for this. You can either tune to drop D standard tuning and then capo up to the 1st fret, or you can tune everything up to drop D sharp standard. It's up to you. As always, I will have the guitar tab that I made myself for this in the description below. It's going to be for having a capo on the 1st fret, but like I said, it transitions the same way if you're doing just D sharp tuning. So as far as the structure goes for the song, this song has an intro riff that pretty much plays throughout all the verses. First and second verse. Then you have a chorus part that incorporates a couple chords along with the intro verse. Then you have the little part for the guitar solo, and then you have the chorus again, and then the same intro riff out. For the intro riff, you're gonna start with your low D string open, and you're playing that just down, down, up, and then you're going 10, 12. Down, down, up, 10, 12, down, down, up, 10, 12, down, down, up, 10, 12. That's the very first part of the riff, and then you're going down, down, up, 5, 3. So down, down, up, 10, 12, down, down, up, 5, 3. Then you're going down, down, up, 10, 12, and then you're going 5, 7 on the low D string, or your low E string either. Then you're going 3, 5, 3 open on the A string, and then 5, 3 on the low E string again. So 5, 7, 3, 5, 3 open, 5, 3. And it's going to be hammer on, so hammer on from 5 to 7, and then hammer on 3 to 5, pull off to 5, 3, pull off, 3 open, pull off, 5, 3 on the low E string. So once you learn that little riff right there, that's the end of that entire intro riff. I will play through it very, very slowly so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. So like I said, that's the first verse. It's first and second verse happen one right after another. It's Ed Sheeran and then Chris Stapleton. Then you're going to jump into the chorus, which is going to start with, you're going to just bar the 3rd fret with your index finger, and you're just going to play the E, A, and D strings. And you're going to play those for 4 counts, but 8 down strums. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then move it up to 5 and do the same exact thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of down strums. And then you're jumping back into the intro riff. Then you're going back and doing that same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then open for 1 and mute it. And that's where the pull my trigger, let me blow your mind. And then those 2 chords that they play is going to be 3, 0, 3, 5, 5. It's a power chord. It's a C power chord. And then the same thing on the 5th fret, just the E, A, and D string on the 5th fret. So yeah, and after that it jumps back into the intro riff. So again, you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, open, pull my trigger, let me blow your mind. So that is the verses and the chorus. Now at the end of the second chorus, you're going, and then just open twice again, and then 3, 5 for down strum. So it looks like end of the chorus, twice, 3, 5, twice, and then you're gonna strum down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up, 3, 3, 5. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So again, after the second chorus, down, up, 3, 4, down, up, 2, 3, 4, down, up, 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then it jumps back into the intro riff again for, I want to say, two times through the intro riff, chorus, intro riff out. So again, during the solo, 3, 5, down, up, 2, 3, 4, down, up, 2, 3, 5, down, up, 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, intro riff. Trigger, let me blow your mind. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.